European countries possess an extensive transport network. Inland waterways transportations are very important, steadily growing their popularity within the last few years and expanding a customer base and nomenclature of transported freight. Today, the river transport industry comprises 41,900 kilometers of usable waterways for navigation, 9,900 shipping companies, 445,000 employees, 147.7 billion of ton-kilometer of annual production.
Our company was established 188 years ago in Vienna. During all this period, we are a market leader for transportation of different types of cargo. Every year, we are transporting between 2 and 2.5 million tons of cargo between Black Sea and North Sea.
The advantages of water transport are general use of natural transport ways, environmental friendliness, lower CO2 emissions and noise pollution, possibility for transportations of wide cargo nomenclature in large quantities. Similar advantages serve us to render efficient transport services on the Danube, Rhine and Main. Day and night, whatever the weather, we transport our cargo passing 70 locks between the North and Black Sea. Cargoes are transported with big convoys between the Danube ports and the North Sea ports via the Danube-Main-Rhine Channel on the West Line.
Our push convoys, the biggest in the inland navigation network. The size is 240 by 44 meters.
Unique extra-large convoys make transportations of cargo between the ports of the lower, middle and upper Danube. The US line serves for regular deliveries of cargo from Izmail, Ukraine, to Smederevo, Serbia. Today, our company has at its command one of the biggest and most advanced fleets in Europe. This fleet consists of 230 vessels, including the Danube fleet, capable of forming a convoy of 9 to 12 barges, with up to 19,200 tons of carrying capacity, or 25,300 cubic meters of volume. There are over 100 covered barges, including barges with a GMP Plus certificate. Rhine-Main fleet, capable for transportations of substandard light cargo of 3,300 tons of weight and up to 7,000 cubic meters of volume. We also have a shallow depth fleet, and lastly, floating cranes and maintenance ships.
We, First DDSG Logistics Holding, are one of the best service provider on the river. By operating 230 swimming units, we are not the biggest, but the most flexible and the most competitive service provider on the river.
Our company pays considerable attention to the development and implementation of innovations, promoting optimal and timely fulfillment of our clients' wishes. Within the last few years, we have put in operation 4 new high-power pushers: Wien, Budapest, Dürnstein and Greifenstein, equipped with modern engines of 3,500 horsepower and a new propeller system, enabling us to push convoys of 9 to 12 barges with 17,000 tons of cargo. We have created a unique complex in order to overcome salts and shallow depth. This complex incorporates pusher crems and floating cranes guards. Our cargo transportations are unimpeded by sandbanks. Lastly, we have equipped our vessels Barbara Blomberg, Johann Strauss and Herzogenburg with a unique system of flexible hatch covers, facilitating loading and discharge of barges and making performance of operations safer and more efficient.
During the last 6 years, I am captain of the pusher Budapest.
From the Black Sea to the ports of Austria, we are carrying large convoys with capacity up to 16,000 tons. Thanks to modern hardware and technical equipment, we do it our job day and night, any weather. We have 7 high professional seamen in our crew. I am proud of our company, experienced team, and so hard but so important job.
The company is mindful of ecology and environmental protection, applying special fuel additives and changing old engines and propellers for more environmentally friendly ones. We have won 2 Klima Active awards from the Austrian Federal Ministry for Agriculture, Forestry, Environment and Water Management as a result of our work. One part of the company's business is our own bunkering complex in Vienna. Bunkering of cargo vessels is performed by our bunker station Möhl, located on the Danube. Bunker boats Wien Tank 1 and Wien Tank 2 supply passenger vessels in the Danube area from river kilometer 1920 to river kilometer 1936. In addition to bunker activities, we supply lube oil and other materials. In 2014, we commemorated our 185th anniversary. First DDSG Logistics Holding looks confidently forward, remaining one of the leaders for cargo transportations on the European inland waterways.